Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with a i7 Pro Max smartwatch, and this time we are going to answer the queries, requests of some of our subscribers here. Okay, asking whether the application WhatsApp messaging is working with the i7 Pro Max as well as the music function. How does it work? Okay, so we're going to answer it here by showing you a demonstration of the messaging, okay, function as well as the music function of the i7 Pro Max. So we already paired it with a HiWatch Pro. So if you have any questions regarding this demo, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries. Okay, we already paired it with our application. Okay, as you can see here, the HiWatch Pro. Okay, so let's test if we are connected. Okay, so we are disconnected and of course we are going to pair it now. Okay, so let's try. Okay, completed. So let's try check. Okay, so we are completed. So let's try it again. Let's find the wearable here. Okay, so we are paired with the wearable. Okay, to be able to receive notifications, message notifications, tap here on the message push. Okay, activate it here, toggle it on, and in our case we already activated the WhatsApp feature here as well as the calls and message reminder. Okay, so we have here the application WhatsApp in our other phone. So let's try and send a message here. Okay, so hello. Okay, so we have here our phone. Okay, we are connected to the WhatsApp application here. So, and of course our smartwatch is paired with a WhatsApp application. So what's up? So let's send hello. So let's try. Okay, so we received the message here. Okay, so let's have another one. Hello, how are you? Okay, so we can receive some messages here and we can read it here. So let's try and have a much longer conversation here. Are you sentences? Okay, where are you going? And let's add a uh, emoticons here. Okay, let's see if it's going to work. Okay, are you okay? Where are you going? So here, so we receive the notifications. So far the emoticons is not working, as you can see here. So let's check here in the message notifications. So here you can swipe to the rest through the rest of the messages. So we have here, hello, how are you? Okay, are you okay? Where are you going? So the emoticons is not working, but you can read the messages here. Okay, here's the first message here, hello. You have the other one, second message. You have the third message here. So you can read the messages here in the wearable. Okay, so you can either go here to the message section. Okay, let's check if it's available here in the WhatsApp section. So it's also available here. Okay, you can't reply on the messages, but you can read the messages here. So as you can see here, it works with the WhatsApp WhatsApp application. Okay, So another functionality here, okay, that we receive inquiry or questions is the music function. Okay, so we have here the music function, and of course we have a music player here. Okay, so we have several music here or audio. Okay, so let's try. But before you can activate this functionality, okay, you have to set it here in the Bluetooth section. Okay, you have to add the well audio here. Okay, as you can see, so connected active media. Okay, so here, go to settings here. Okay, you notice it here again. Let's go back. Connected no phone, so go to settings. Okay, connected audio media here, media audio, connected to media audio, activate this one. Okay, so we are now paired with our phone or smartwatch. Okay, go to music section here. Okay, let's play. You can see here, so it works. So again, so it works. Stop. Okay, adjust the speaker here. Okay, so again, you have to activate it here. Okay, manually. More settings, connected. Okay, if I'm going to disconnect this one, okay, so here as you can see we receive a notification here or warning, please connect with the Bluetooth first. So connect again, so no phone. Okay, so again the player is here right in the smartwatch, so it uses the speaker of the smartwatch to play your favorite audio or music. Okay, there's no title for the song. Okay, so just the forward, backward, and the sound or the volume adjustment, and just the word music here. You can stop or play the music here. Okay, so that's it for the music function of the i7 Pro Max, as well as the notification functions, WhatsApp. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding the demo, please drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries. Again, this is a demo for the music function as well as the message function, WhatsApp message notifications for the i7 Pro Max smartwatch. Bye.